So this is the Vollebak Planet Earth shirt. I've actually got this one in white. It was designed to be wearable on any place on planet Earth, and I've used it quite heavily in all sorts of places, mainly outdoors. I even ran a 50-mile ultra marathon wearing it one summer. So just to give you a quick whiz round some of the features on it, which are really cool. It's made of a kind of cotton material that's a kind of cotton and synthetic blend by a Swiss company called Schola. And the idea with the material is that it's breathable, but it's also quite water resistant. So the water kind of beads and falls off it when it's been raining, but it's also quite breathable when you're hot. And actually, that's a feature that's worth coming back to in a second. I'll talk about the air conditioning on this shirt. From the point of view from the top down, it's got this really cool kind of collar. You can wear it out like a normal collar, but also it's got this bit that goes across the front that clips, so you can create a kind of mosquito collar just to keep the biting insects off you if you're doing that kind of thing. And then down the front you've got buttons that are made of a nut called the Corozo nut, I think is the right word. They're really nice, but they're super hard wearing, and they're attached to a kind of military paracord rather than being sewn directly to the shirt. So the nuts have got a bit of give forward and back, which means the shirt moves a bit better with you. And then when you do the shirt up, it's got a kind of pleat that goes across the front. And a lot of the key areas on this shirt where the stitching meets that could be stress points has actually got these metal rivets attached to them to make the shirt a lot more hard wearing. It's got 3 major pockets, one on the arm. It's a reasonable size, as you can see. You could easily almost keep a phone and stuff in there on your arm. And then it's got little buttons on the arms as well, so you can roll the sleeves up and keep them up out of the way. And then the other main 2 pockets, you've got a pocket here on this side, which again buttons down, but it's got a little tool rack here. You can put pens and pencils and pen knives and stuff hanging off that bit. And the cool thing about the pocket on this side is it's actually, if you look closely, there's a secondary secret pocket inside that they call a secret passport pocket. And they're both pretty big actually. And if you look, there's lots of little features, like there's a really cool little hang hook there that I've hung stuff off with a carabiner, which is super strong. And in fact, just at the bottom of the shirt, hidden away down here inside, are another little hanging points which you can pop undo and do up, which is really cool. I mentioned the air conditioning on it. So this shirt's got, I think, 7 different places with a mesh that opens up. So if you get hot, you can actually unzip some bits on the sides here, and it's got a mesh which opens the shirt up a little bit more and allows the air to sort of billow through the shirt a lot better. And in fact, if I open it up, you can see the mesh running down your back as well, inside the shirt, also at the sides down here, and also around the back here, around the arms, can also vent as well. So it's a great little shirt. You know, you can wear it with the sleeves rolled down to keep warm and keep the insects off you, or you can roll the sleeves up and put the air conditioning on just to cool yourself down. It's really resilient to dirt and moisture, even though it's breathable, and I tend to wear it outdoors rather than as a fashion item, because I really like it for kind of hiking and even going running in the USA out on the trails. So there you go, that gives you a little bit of a run through, and that's the Vollebak Planet Earth shirt, and this one is in white.